So right now, you guys, we are actually doing some putting air conditioning. So that's what my stepdad, I mean, not stepdad. Dad-in-law? Yeah, dad-in-law is doing, so that's what we're doing. You guys, we are frying hot dogs. How many would you like?
One.
One?
Yeah.
I'm thinking the whole package. Right now, you guys, we at Valley Village, so that's what we're doing. Looking for some stuff, so maybe shorts, maybe some stuff. So that's what we're doing. Guys, so right now, you guys, we are husking some corn. So I'm a husking corn, so that's what I'm doing. Husking some corn. Tonight we are making the supper, you guys. Yes, we are making the supper tonight for Rachel's parents. So, and Sarah and Emily. So that's pretty cool and exciting. Are you eating?
Unicorn toot.
Why are you eating rainbow toots?
I'm eating hoops that is tooty-ish.
I know. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do towards my new video. Goodbye.